In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Discord status to Do Not Disturb, Idle, and Invisible. Your Discord status lets other people know whether you're available, away, busy, or simply prefer not to appear online. Changing your status only takes a few moments, and it's a useful way to manage how others see your availability while you're using Discord. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to switch between Do Not Disturb, Idle, and Invisible. To get started, open the Discord application, or access Discord through your web browser, and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Discord screen, look toward the bottom left corner where you'll see your profile picture and username. This area gives you quick access to your account settings and online status. Click on your profile picture to open the status menu. A small pop-up will appear, displaying the different status options that are available for your account. Each status serves a different purpose, allowing you to control how you're displayed to your friends and the communities you're part of. If you want to let others know that you're busy and don't want to be interrupted, select Do Not Disturb. When this status is active, Discord displays a red icon next to your profile and suppresses most desktop notifications, making it easier to focus without constant interruptions. If you'd like to indicate that you're temporarily away from your computer, choose Idle. This status appears with a yellow icon and lets others know that you may not respond right away. It's a helpful option if you're stepping away for a short period, but plan to return soon. If you prefer to browse Discord without appearing online, select Invisible. With this option enabled, you'll appear offline to other users, even though you'll still have full access to Discord. You can continue reading messages, participating in servers, and chatting privately while remaining hidden from your friends list. After selecting your preferred status, the change takes effect immediately. You can switch between these status options whenever you like by opening the same profile menu and choosing a different one. This makes it easy to adjust your availability depending on whether you're working, gaming, relaxing, or simply want some privacy. Keep in mind that changing your status doesn't affect your permissions or limit what you can do on Discord. It only changes how your presence appears to other users, giving you more control over your visibility and notifications. That's all there is to it. You now know how to change your Discord status to Do Not Disturb, Idle, or Invisible whenever you need to. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,